Have you ever thought about gardening with your kids? It's more than just planting seeds. It's about spending quality time, nurturing their curiosity about nature, and fostering patience as they watch their hard work bloom. Imagine the fun of getting your hands dirty together while learning something new. You might be wondering, why garden with kids? Well, the benefits are as plentiful as your future harvest. It's a natural playground that encourages physical activity, sparking their curiosity as they dig and plant. It promotes responsibility, as they nurture their plants from seedlings to fully grown wonders. They'll gain a deeper understanding of food sources, learning that tomatoes don't just appear on the supermarket shelf. Plus, their appreciation for nature will blossom as they witness the magic of life cycles. And the best part? You're creating meaningful memories together. So, how do you start this exciting journey, you ask? Well, begin with choosing easy-to-grow plants like sunflowers or radishes. These plants not only sprout quickly, but also provide instant gratification to your little gardeners. Next, invest in child-friendly gardening tools. Tools designed for small hands not only make the process easier, but also safer. Finally, make gardening a regular activity. Whether it's every Saturday morning or every other afternoon, consistency is key. Remember, the goal is to have fun and learn together, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So why wait? Start gardening with your kids today. It's a fantastic opportunity for fun and learning. Share your experiences, your triumphs, and even your little hiccups in the comments below. Remember the benefits we've talked about. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Happy gardening!